Here comes Thomas. I'm the #1 engine. Whoa! All engines go! Coming through. Down the hills and round the wall. All engines go!
The very best. Oh, that was the muddiest job ever. My wheels are so caked with mud I can hardly roll. I even got mud in my boiler. Diesel engines don't have boilers, so mud doesn't bother me. Okay, maybe a little.
Wow, what happened to you guys?
Hi, Whiff. We got a little muddy in our last job.
I'd say you got a lot muddy.
Yeah, we're heading over to Sandy and Carly's for a train wash.
Oh, you'll love Sandy's strawberry soap. It's so sudsy and sparkly and makes the cutest little pink bubbles. It inspired me to grow my own strawberries on the roof.
That's very nice. Don't you get it? Very nice.
Good one, Perth. Now let's go have a sudsy, sparkly strawberry party. I'm going to be one clean machine. Bring on that strawberry sparkle. Hey, where's my strawberry sparkle?
And all the fun pink bubbles.
It's like there's no strawberry soap left at all.
Sorry, there's no strawberry soap left at all. We only have regular old boring soap.
But I was promised the sudsy, sparkly strawberry party.
We ordered more, but who knows when it will get here. I'm afraid you'll just have to be patient, Diesel.
But being patient is not one of my many talents.
I wish we could just make our own strawberry soap.
That's so smart, Percy. I bet we could. Sandy has regular soap, and Farmer McCall has a whole entire field full of strawberries. Hold on. How are we going to do this? We're engines, not soap magicians.
I can give it a try. If there's something I can't do, I haven't found it yet. Except baking. And sometimes spelling is hard.
Let's do it! Wow! Look at all these strawberries! They're perfect! Whoa!
Good-looking bunch, huh? Sorry. Farmer McCall made sure the strawberries grew extra plump this year. What are they perfect for?
We ran out of our favourite strawberry soap. Could we have some to make a batch?
Sure. Farmer McCall won't mind if you take a few.
Thanks, Terence.
This is going to be the best strawberry soap Soda's ever had.
See you later.
Strawberry soap! What's that I smell? I'm getting whiffs of something sweet and refreshing.
It's our Sandy Thomas Berry soap. That's a little long. Let's just call it Thomas Berry soap. It's easy to remember.
Whatever it is, I want to try it out. But we didn't make that much soap. We should save it for when we really need a wash. But I'm still dirty. Look!
Oh, yeah, me too. My, Lucky Bell could use a cleaning.
I guess it doesn't hurt to get extra clean.
Follow me.
Let's do it again. But Diesel, you're definitely not dirty now. Right, I can fix that. Did you just get dirty on purpose? No. Maybe. Doesn't matter. I need another wash. This is an outrage. I can't go on without Thomas Berry soap. To do that, we need...
More strawberries! One more batch of Thomas Berry soap coming up.
Dirtiest goes first. Told you I'm not good at being patient. Woohoo! Yeah!
We heard about your famous Thomas Berry soap.
Come on in! Diesel, again? Who is Diesel? I'm here to try the Thomas Berry soap for the first time ever. La 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 la.
We're all out of soap. Again.
Well, customers are waiting, so I guess we get more strawberries.
Now every train on Sodom must be clean.
We need more Thomas Berry soap. No one's even dirty anymore. Maybe we should turn off the wash for a bit.
But they love my wash. And our Thomas Berry soap. Don't question the greatness. Just make more soap. Let's hurry. Where did all the strawberries go?
Oh no, we must have picked them all. This is terrible.
Where did all the strawberries go?
We picked them all, Terence.
But I said you could take a few strawberries, not the whole field.
We did only take a few, and then a few more after that.
Turns out that if you take a few too many times, it becomes a lot.
Now Farmer McCall will have nothing for this year's harvest. He was going to make jam.
We were so caught up in what we wanted, we didn't stop to think we might be hurting our friends. Where's the latest batch of Thomas Berry soap? I'm afraid there won't be any more Thomas Berry soap. Ever. What? We took too many strawberries, and now I've ruined Farmer McCall's harvest and let our friend Terence down.
It's not just your fault. We all took so many baths.
Well, I didn't take that many. Fine, I'll admit it. I went a little bonkers with the soap. I wish we could make it right, but how?
Hang on. Whiff has strawberries in his rooftop garden.
Percy, you're a genius. Maybe Whiff could give some of his strawberries to Farmer McCall.
Yeah!
My strawberries? Is this for your famous Thomas Berry soap I've heard so much about?
Actually, it's to replace Farmer McCall's strawberries.
Oh, man, did you use them all? You have to be careful with things like strawberries. Nature isn't limitless, you know.
We definitely will from now on. I Thomas promise.
All right, then. I can give you some strawberries to take to Farmer McCall. And more importantly, here's some strawberry seeds. You can plant these so Farmer McCall can be ready for the next harvest.
Thanks, Whiff. All engines go!
Thanks, everyone. You've saved this year's strawberry jam.
And we found a way to make things even better for next year.
How's that?
While you help Farmer McColl with the berries so he can make his jam, we'll plant strawberry seeds for next year's harvest. Even though I always miss the Thomas Berry soap, I'm glad we did this.
It always feels good to come clean and do the right thing. Get it? Anyone? Come clean.